Chapter 9, Part 3. Okay, so let's start looking at how to engage in some test automation. So what we'll be covering in this next set of exercises, unit testing, first with BlueJ and then with JUnit. We'll talk about regression testing and why regression testing is important, the development of test cases and test classes, and then we will look at the use of assertions and the concept of a unit test fixture. So the first thing you're going to do is some unit testing within BlueJ. What this is going to be is you can work inside of BlueJ and manually create objects and ensure that they work the way that they're supposed to, which is part of the reason we've been using BlueJ all along. So we want you to go through the exercises that are listed in Part 1, and you're going to go ahead and go step by step and enter those results into your first Part 1 document and submit to that assignment. And when you're done, come back and we'll continue with JUnit.